welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu. Yesterday it was the final episode of this season, and I must say bekushube ngampela, bekushube kakhulu. Did Mseleku said Mangwabe and Mayeni can go back to their old boyfriends? Like, really, guys, that was very cold of him. Uthi yena wonke umuntu wamthatha indodeni yakhe, he loved them, but if they want to go, they are free to do so. No, guys, I don't think number 5 is coming at all. Kahle kahle, I even doubt ukuthi wake wabakhona. This just nje drama to keep us glued kuThando Nesthembu from season to season. From first season, guys, until now kukhulunywa ngalo number 5 ongafiki. Do you think ukhona noma kudlalwa ngathi la? Anyway, let's move along. Guys, Mseleku made a promise to Mangwabe that he would never take another wife, or he will never take another wife after her. I know some are saying Mangwabe is selfish, na wafika bekhona abanye abafazi akayeke uMseleku athathe omunye unkosikazi if he want to do so, but a promise is a promise. Guys, yesterday episode was full of drama. It was the first time I saw Mayeni and Macele teaming against Mseleku. Naye ngicabanga ukuthi nje akakholwanga. Mseleku complains a lot about Mangwabe that akamhloniphi, blah blah blah, and yesterday Mayeni and Macele asked him why is he still with Mangwabe if she is such a problem. Then he said he is respecting his promise ukuthi wathi yomthanda ebuhleni nasebubini. They also told Makhumalo not to allow Mseleku to use her situation as a scapegoat kule issue ka number 5. That was the final episode of Uthando Nesthembu kule season, and number 5 issue, guys, is not resolved. Do you think Uthando Nesthembu is scriptured or not? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Have a nice day. Bye.